In this video, we will show a UAV simulation using 4DV-SIM. 4DV-SIM is capable of simulating different UAV scenarios, beginning with terrain that can be brought in using GIS data or other 3D models. Wind profiles can be set up dynamically to reflect the actual wind patterns. The UAV devices themselves can be outfitted with sensors to reflect an autonomous system. Typical sensors include cameras, LiDAR, altimeters, IMUs, even GNSS constellations can be simulated using the tool. Whether you're using 4DV-SIM to simulate an unmanned aerial system or in combination with other autonomous systems, choose 4DV-SIM to get the job done.